Sandbox. Wow. 72 cents to 344 and not moving, not budging. I know I said no FOMO, and I'm not telling you to FOMO into Sandbox. I'm really not. But somewhere in the metaverse, there's going to be like a mega trade. There's going to be something that just goes up and sits there, something that doesn't dip. Now, at the moment, that's Sandbox. 4 days later, 4 months later, 4 years later, that could be different. But when I look at this chart, I'm like, oh man, somebody out there knows that one day big corporations who can't get involved in the metaverse or can't figure it out are going to start putting these coins on their balance sheet, especially if they allow them to get real estate eventually. This is the currency of the metaverse, like ETH. Either way, they're going to start putting this stuff on their balance sheet going, okay, we don't have a metaverse strategy. We just got to get the right money or NFTs on our balance sheet to be able to jump in and take advantage of it. Because if we can't beat Zuckerberg with a centralized solution, we're going to have to jump in and get involved in the decentralized universe. Okay, Illuvium. I think the analyst that discovered this couldn't be with us today. Support is at 1,000. If Illuvium goes Solana, it could go to 2,400. So not investment advice, don't FOMO. But what I'm saying is another angle on the metaverse is you got to start using your imagination as to what this stuff could do. So there's a difference between buying any green candle in a small cap metaverse play. There's a difference between that and saying, okay, I want to buy the dip because if this thing re-rates, reprices, what can it do? Like ETH went from 600 to 1,200 once. Should you have not bought it at 1,200? Would you have not bought the dip to 1,000 if there's a 20% washout in the market? In other words, maybe you stay away from all this stuff for like a week, sit in ETH, not investment advice, and then come back to it off an altcoin washout. But the most important thing is if a washout occurs, trust me, I've been through this. You won't want to buy it. You won't, unless you've used your imagination to say, okay, here's some TA, here's a thought, here's what this thing could do. Like what happens if total crypto market cap or the top 20 coins is Bitcoin, ETH, Polkadot, Solana, Avalanche, and the metaverse, and everything else is out? Where are these coins trading? These are the things you have to remember if they get hammered on a dip.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.